Looking for an easy body scrub? Perfect, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Jennifer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fun, quick, easy sugar scrub right in your home. We're going to be using 3 ingredients. We're going to be using brown sugar, fractionated coconut oil, and doTERRA sells fractionated coconut oil that you can purchase, or you can find it on Amazon. I'll make sure to put all the links of all the ingredients that I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And we're going to be using Ylang Ylang along with geranium. You can use any combo of essential oils that you would like. Using sugar scrub is great for your body. It's great to exfoliate your skin, removing dead skin and just leaving your skin feeling amazing. So I'm using brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you want, or using brown sugar and mixing a half a cup of fractionated coconut oil. So mix that well. I love using a sugar scrub in my shower when I'm washing my body, just using the sugar scrub all over my body to get rid of dead skin and just leaving my skin feeling amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up to 12 drops of essential oil. So Ylang Ylang and geranium are a great mix to use together. If you have not tried them together, try it out, you might like it. Geranium by itself is very floral and it can be really powerful smelling. To some people, you may not like the flower smell. So if that is you, I encourage you to mix the geranium with Ylang Ylang. Geranium and Ylang Ylang are really great for balancing your hormones. Geranium, also known as the poor man rose, which rose is like the queen of all oils. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my jar. I have a 2-ounce jar, I believe, and you can get these cute jars from Amazon too, and I'll make sure to put that link in there. So I'm just adding that into the jar. So anyways, rose is one of the most expensive oils that doTERRA sells, and it's the queen of all oils. It's great for just about anything, especially with women, hormones, and things like that. I love the smell of rose to use as a perfume. Now, I would just add this. I also made some labels to put on these jars, so it makes a great gift for, baby showers, weddings, Mother's Day, Christmas, someone's birthday, and it's really simple. Plus, you're making it from home. And who doesn't love a homemade gift made with love? Putting all those yummy ingredients in that jar. Can't wait to use this. Now I will probably also make another one for my son, your kiddos, if they're preteens, teenagers that are struggling with hormonal things, acne or whatever. This is great for them too, to help them exfoliate their skin and just leaving their skin feeling amazing and beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on there. So there you have it, sugar scrub done. Now, if you love seeing this type of content, make sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a brand new video. Now, this is a series of 3 videos. Make sure to check out my other videos where you will learn how to make whipped body butter next. Have a great day. Bye.